was skeptical at first based on what I thought I knew, but then I realized how misinformed I really was. Many people are surprised to learn that today's reverse mortgages have been redesigned and can provide greater help to consumers. As a result, they can be an effective option to help find the retirement you want. Call Reverse Mortgage Funding today for a free copy of Closing the Gap. It has the most current information about new products, including those designed to help you extend your retirement funds or to purchase a new home. My reverse mortgage gave me the benefits of a home equity line of credit without the monthly loan payments, and they made the process really easy. Retirement and retirees have changed, and so have reverse mortgages. You owe it to yourself to see how today's reverse mortgages are meeting the generation. To find out how, call Reverse Mortgage Funding now and get the facts. We based our decision on current information, not hearsay, which was really a smart move for us. It changed our entire retirement outlook. Call toll free 1-877-280-5357 for your free copy of Closing the Gap. There's no obligation. So call 1-877-280-5357 today. That's 1-877-280-5357. All terms and conditions apply. Visit reverseminded.com for details. I was an alcoholic. I was addicted to oxycontin. I was a heroin addict. I was addicted to crack. Over 23 million Americans suffer from addiction. It's a disease that destroys lives, relationships, and careers, and it's now causing more deaths than